Introducing Auto One, a premium car detailing and paint repair business, Bundaberg, Queensland. What's not to love about this? It's been operated by the same owners for 16 years and turns over $200,000 a year. Auto One offers good profit margins for owner-operators, supported by 2 excellent employees who are willing to stay on. The extensive client base includes 4 major car yards in Bundaberg, various business clients, and plenty of private customers. Service includes budget to premium detailing, chip and scratch repairs, headlight restoration, and more, with a reputation for quality workmanship. The leasehold premises includes a standalone 250-metre squared shed with separate wash bay, oil separator, and council trade waste agreement. Auto One repairs and restores black plastic bumpers and trims, and has recently added leather, vinyl, plastic, and fabric restoration. The only detailer in the area to offer a seniors discount, the business benefits from the large retirement villages close by. This well-priced business includes all equipment plus a very reliable business-branded Toyota Corolla used for pickups and drop-offs. The location is excellent in a newly developed area with major stores close by, including Super Amart, Rebel Sports, Autobarn, and Bunnings. Auto One has shown consistent growth over time and still offers untapped potential for a buyer keen to grow the business. Priced at $75,000, the owners are ready to retire and are happy to provide full training for a smooth transition.